Hi, I'm going to show you how to populate data into TListBox in C++ Builder. First, let's create a new multi-device application and create a blank phone application. Then let's put in a TListBox component on the phone and alignment client. Okay, so of course you can write code to fill your data inside the TListBox, but there's an easier way to populate data into the TListBox because you can use C++ Livebinding Designer to easily populate data into the TListBox. So in order to show that, let's just put in a T prototype binding source component. This component can generate some random data for us to do the demo, and then let's create some data. For example, let's create a content name field, and let's create a content title field. Then the random data will be generated. So all you have to do is just click the View Livebinding Designer, and the C++ Builder will show the Livebinding Designer service for you. You can see that all your random data is here, and your UI's TListBox is here. And now, if you want to show all the content name inside the TListBox, all we have to do is just drag the content name field data field and make it to show at the TListBox item.text property. And once you do that, you can see that the data is shown automatically inside the TListBox. So let's just save this project. And then if you run this application right now, okay, C++ Builder will compile it into a Win32 application and run it as a Win32 application. You can see that all the random data are shown inside the TListBox. And if you change the platform you want to run, you can, for example, change to Android platform. You can see that I have a Android mobile connect to my machine, or you can deploy to the OS X or iOS device to run the application. Okay. Now, in order to save time, I already have deployed the same application to my Samsung X4 mobile, so I can see that the application is running at my Android mobile perfectly. All right. Thank you. Okay, so last time I had showed you how to populate the random data into TListBox with a prototype binding source component inside C++ Builder. Today I'm going to show you how to populate TListBox with real data from database. So I'm going to use C++ Builder and the Microsoft SQL Server Northwind database to do the demo. The first thing is to create a multi-device application, and let's create empty blank application and just the phone, and we put in a TListBox component on the phone and align to the client area of the phone. Okay, so now we can click the data explorer, and I will use the FireDAC to access the Microsoft SQL Server. All I have to do is just open the Microsoft SQL Server and open the Northwind database. You can see that there are so many demo tables inside Northwind database. So maybe we will use the product table to do the demo. You can right-click the product nodes and click the view. You can see all the data from the product table. So maybe now let's show the product name, and also let's show how many units in stock. Okay. So the first thing we have to do is just drag and drop the product table onto the phone. You can see that ID will automatically generate two FireDAC components to allow you to access the Northwind database. So now let's connect to the database and let's activate the table. So now the FireDAC can access the data from the Northwind table. You can also right-click the product table and activate the query editor. You can see that FireDAC will automatically generate the SQL statement for you. You can even execute the SQL statement here inside the component editor, and you can see the live data. Okay, so now we have access the data. And if we want to populate data into the TListBox, all we have to do is just click the field, Livebinding Designer, to activate the Livebinding Designer service. So you can see that here is the list box, here is a product table. Now if we want to show the product name inside the TListBox, and then we also want to show the unit in stock, so maybe we can show the product name at the TListBox item.text property. You can see that all the product name is shown here. And if we want to show the unit in stock, maybe we can show it as a header information. So I can drag this field into the item header.text. Okay, you can see that now we can show you how many each product unit in stock. Okay, it's very easy. So now if you run the application, you just have to save it and run it. Then you can see that it will run as a Windows 32 application without any problem. It's very easy. Okay, you can also try to run it as a Windows 64-bit application. All you have to do is just click 64-bit platform and run it again. Then the compiler will compile this C++ application as a native Windows 64-bit application. Okay, so let's wait for a while. Okay, now this is a native Windows 64-bit application. Okay, perfect. So next time I will show you how to create a mobile client to access Microsoft's Northwind database data. Okay, so in that way we'll have a distributed mobile application system. So see you next time. Bye.